How to remove background of photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Then, search and tap to go to a website like remove.bg. In the search bar, type and select the first search result named Remove Background to navigate to the background removal website. Once the page loads, tap the Upload Image button as shown. Choose Photo Library from the options to browse your gallery. Select the desired photo and confirm by tapping Done at the top right. The website will automatically process the image and remove the background for you. You can instantly view the final result with a transparent background. When you're ready, tap the Download button in the bottom left corner. This will open the Share menu. Scroll through the options and tap on Save Image to save it to your photo library. Finally, open the Photos app. Here you will find your newly saved image with the background completely removed, ready to use. Following these simple steps, you can easily remove background of photo on an iPhone.